Do you wish that you could fast forward through life? Do you wish that you could make things quieter? Do you wish that you can be in control? Then this product is for you! It's the Shadow Remote. Come look for yourself. This remote has many special features. We can change clothes. You can fast forward and rewind. You can make things louder and quieter.
Last thing I remember, I was at McDonald's and there was this guy there. His name began with a J and it ended in Osh. He was eating a lot of burgers with pickles.
As you can see, the Shadow Remote works great. So please call now.
I thought I could make you change.
Are you okay?